Yesterday the gold created a bullish candle. It is a smaller one compared to the one the day before, but this is continuation of the bullish strength. And we can see that the price yesterday had small issues around this one here, which is around 2775 price level, which is a small resistance, a small support currently acting here for the price just in between this larger one, 2737.11 and 2817.77, which is the next supply zone where the price is heading currently. Now, since yesterday we can see the price had small wick on the upper side and a small wick on the lower side, which represents a candle where the price was moving up and down slightly, and the price could not continue to rise easily because of the small bullish candle. We can see that, and these wicks on the lower side and the upper side. Now, for today, what we can see currently, the price has stopped at small resistance level. We can see that at around 2790.34, and we will see what happens on the lower time frames. Will the price make a bullish breakout, which will be continuation and targeting 2817.77 as the next supply zone and the resistance where the target currently is for the bulls. Now, for the opposite side, if the bears could close the price below 2775, this will trigger a sell-off, which could also lead the price going all the way down to 2758.53. So for now, it's very important to see what the price will do around this resistance level where it currently is, or it will get back down to the first support level, which will be around 2775 price level. And then we'll see will the price manage to make a bearish breakout, which will lead the price going further down to the lower price levels. So for now, we'll see what happens. But as we take a look here as overall how the price and also how the market looks, it is a bullish breakout above this area here, which is not still confirmed, where there is a possibility that the price returns back down, confirming this previous resistance now acting as support and continue to rise in value. But first, before that happens, I would like to see the price making a bearish breakout below this 12775 price level. Now, this is all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.